over there, on the right. Press that one more time.
Elevator is going down. Doors closing.
Initially this one had the Schindler 3000 voice, even though it is a Schindler 3000, but it recently was updated to use the linear 300 voice.
Basement 1. Doors opening.
And you guys have all pretty much heard all the voice lines that it uses, so...
Doors closing.
I'm just
Basement 2.
I don't think we have the chime.
Doors opening. Elevator is going up.
Hold on. Let's see. Oh.
Elevator is going up.
Hold on a sec. Let me just play for you guys the chime. That didn't work. Now let's try. There we go.
Elevator is going up. Doors closing.
I think I'm gonna just stop it here.
Ground floor. Doors opening.
No one's watching me, so I'll just stop here. Okay. Alright, there it goes. And that's it.